What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here, and today we're breaking in a Hellcat. Alright guys, we got Adam's brand new tires changed out with some...
Send off the second set.
He's gonna get these powder coated, so he's gonna freshen them up. Alright guys. We're gonna resurface some tires.
Yeah, your shadow was on the car.
Huh?
Your shadow was on the car.
Oh, was it?
Alright, good to go?
Yeah. Damn, you can't see nothing.
I'm gonna do a lap.
Okay. That's the marks in like 3 seconds of a burnout. Good Lord.
You got any tire left?
Let's see. Yeah, you got some left. Jesus. I can't see nothing. Alright, clear it out. Jesus. It's a nice foggy day this afternoon. I wonder what these are from. Huh.
I'm only getting 4 mpg now.
Do what?
Getting 4 miles per gallon.
That's what I'm talking about. Is there any tire left? Maybe one more send off, but I think that'll be about it. my god, look at the shot, guys. Damn, this is like some Fast and Furious shit right here.
Yeah, so it's really like the GT-R. It's not like
Right.
your car's like high back there.
Yeah, don't worry about that little guy. All right, Adam's gonna show me how to use the line lock, and I get to do a burnout. You go to
You go to so yeah, we'll restart it. We'll shut the chiller down, then we'll get you back to come on, chiller. There we go. So we'll pretend like we weren't just in the SRT mode, and then no, we don't have the phone. All right, so we'll press the SRT button, and then that goes to our whole performance pages, drive modes, and all that. But for the line lock, all you needed to go is activate line lock, and now it's actually already activated.
Oh, nice.
So, and then all Tommy's got to do is put his foot on the brake, and then we got to be in gear. So just make sure you put it in drive. Get that out of the way for you. So yeah, now it's showing you the brake pressure, and you're good to go. Switch to your left hand for the camera, and then all you do is hold OK, and
this button?
And literally that's your brake.
Oh.
So as long as you're holding that, you're not going anywhere.
Oh yeah. So now
yeah, you can test it out real quick.
Yep, it's ready.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Jesus.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this live body video.
We should have run up the windows.
Once they are all done up by Battleborn here in Clarksville, Tennessee. Active to view, and these tires are done so. You got some on the trunk.
Did I?
You're gonna have to spray this thing off.
Holy shit.
Yeah, they're down to the cords now.
Yeah. Oh, look at them smoking. Holy crap. Yeah, we got to clean this thing up. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, it's hot in there.
Oh dang, I do see the cords. Yeah, that's gonna finish her off. That used to be the tire.
Yeah, it's kind of fun when you have a tire you actually don't care about.
Yeah, right. Yeah, especially when you don't have to buy new ones.
Just wanted to let it run for a second so they actually can cool down.
Adam's gonna need a tire sponsor. So.
Yeah, I really do.
Toyo.
Toyo, that'd be so sick if Toyo.
Holler at your boy.
Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never gonna slow down. Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never gonna slow down. Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never.
Alright guys, let's assess the damage. Jesus. I might have sent it a little too hard on that last one. At least we didn't pop tires. We already got the new one swapped back out. Alright guys, Adam just headed out. But if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. drop a like and a comment, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.